Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the second edition of Liderazgo's Toolbox Talks. Remember, #Toolbox Talk. Today, I'm going to be briefly talking to you about HIRA, which is Hazard Identification and Risk Assessment. So, who should do this course? Any company out there really needs to understand what hazards they have in their workplace, how to assess these, what risks are associated with these hazards. Remember, each risk that you have has a consequence, and those consequences can sometimes be quite severe. So we will help you understand what hazards you have, what risks you have. We have certain tools and methodologies that we use. For example, root cause analysis, incident and accident investigation. What is the full process as far as that is concerned? So any industry out there, be it logistics, mining, manufacturing, etc., this course is for you and for your people to ensure that we are keeping everyone healthy, we are keeping everyone safe, and we are looking after the environment. So we are looking forward to hearing from you. Our very friendly staff in Johannesburg and Durban are waiting for your call. Let's set this up and ensure we look after each other. So contact details will be underfoot, and you have a fantastic one. Take care.